To install Java, the first step we require is to open a browser and it's connected to the internet. And first we are going to navigate the URL called www.oracle.com/java/technologies/downloads. Right now I'm going to copy this URL and going to paste in a browser. Now we are navigate to Oracle page here and it consisting of a navbar. First navbar is Java download, second one is tools and resource, and the third one is Java Archive. Click on Java Archive. We're going to connect with a Java Standard Edition, the default page, where you can find SCEEMEFX. SC stand for Standard Edition, which used for desktops. EE stand for Enterprise Edition, which is used for a web application like bank applications. Micro Edition, which is used for a mobile application to develop a game. And FX, which is used for developing and application using Sphinx concepts. Now we are right now the default page called Standard Edition. Go down and if you want, find the latest version. Yes, the first latest version is Java SE17. You can click this one. Right now, I want to select a Java Standard Edition 8. After that clicking, we are going to get here. Right now, we are going to choose that one, which type of operating system. Mine is a Windows 64-bit operating. If you have 32-bit, you have to choose this one. So right now, it's my system is a 64-bit environment. Just click here. Now it's going to ask a permission or agreement license. Just tick the mark and click on download. Now it's going for a login page. Here we have to give a username as demos.programmer at gmail.com and the password is capital JAVA Java at 123 and click on sign in. After signing up, JDK is going to download in your respective system. Now we have to wait until the .exe file has to be downloaded. Here it is going to download JDK file. Once it's downloaded, we have to open the respective folders and we are going to double click it and we are going for the further steps. Here now my JDK is completed. Just open a browser, just double click it and it's going to prompt asking that do you want to install? Yes, I want to install this one. Once it's a pop-up is happening, just click on next. It's fetching that way to install. So right now I want to install C program files Java in this location. If you want to change, click on change. And this is a default path. Otherwise, if you want to change to D drive, it's not a problem. You can change it by clicking this structure button. Now I want to use this folder structure called C programming Java JDK file. Click next. It is going to download all the components. We have to wait for to copying all the necessary files. Next, here we are going to download both JDK as well as JRE. This is set up for JRE platform. We have to click on next until we reach the destination. Finally, we are going to get that the Java successfully is going to installed. If you want to get more documentation API, just click on next step. You are going to get an application. That's it. Our Java is installed successfully in our standalone system. And this is a very quick review. First step is we have to open a browser of this URL. Then we have to open the Java Archive tab. Then we have to select the which platform like in Windows, Mac OS, Linux or Solaris. And the first step is you have to sign in with an Oracle account with this username and password. And finally, after downloading, you have to double click that .exe file and we have to proceed that installation both to install JDK and JRE. That's it. That installation going to set up in our standalone system. To check whether Java is installed in our standalone system or not, just open the command line and type JAVA Java as a command and check it's an install because we get a lot of thing here like there's some versions. If I want to check the version also, just type Java space version so you can check that what is the version of this uh, installed in our PC. Then if I want to run any Java program, then it will not work because the JAVAC is a compilation. If I type it, it will say that it is not recognized as an internal external command. To, to solve this problem, we have to set a class path. This is our next tutorial.